Let's do it. They got wishing wells here.
Yeah, I know, I see that. Itong asawa ko hindi makaalis na walang kasama. Gusto niyang palaging may kasama, look.
Oh, 323. Now they're up.
Oh, they're up higher. Gasoline, guys, is getting crazy. Anyway, so pasensya na kayo sa brow ko. Alangan naman na mauna maging akong brow, no? Di naman yun na mausap. But here, my husband can't live without his wifey. Hey, you can't live without your wifey.
There it is.
And just it.
Get out of the house. What the heck? Even you don't like to get out of the house because we're going to go.
Drive careful, love. You're swivel everywhere. No, we go out to the grocery store. That's where we're going, grocery store. That's his time is getting out in the house.
Well, it's out. At least we're out and drive. There's nothing close, so you just got to go out for a drive to do it.
He can't go out without his wife. Do you love your wifey?
I do.
You do? Even I'm Scoochie?
Even you're Scoochie.
Oh,
And yes, guys, she is Scoochie.
I'm the loving Scoochie. Can you
I figure we'll make one quick stop before the supermarket. And my wife said, what? What? You didn't tell me that. Why? We're going to do that anyway.
Where we're gonna go?
See? That's it.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
You know what?
We're gonna see? Go ahead. Tell me what. You know what? What? Tell me what? What? Go ahead. I'm waiting to hear.
That means if we're gonna go stop over there, that means we're buying one.
Stop over where?
I'm gonna buy the white one.
You want to look, so we stop and look.
I'm gonna buy the white one.
You want to look? Maybe they got prices on them. Who knows? See what they charge you.
Watch out, maybe there's car on your side.
Maybe it's
Hey guys, andito kami ngayon sa shed. Tumitingin-tingin lang kami dito. Look, tignan natin. Meron ako ditong gusto ba? Look, dito kami. Oh, inindot oh. I like this. Huh? I like this one. Hello, oy, it's wet, oy. I go to the other side. It's wet. Wala may mga presyo, eh. Nice, oh. Nice. Meron akong gusto doon sa kabila. This is nice ba? Mura siyang balay, pero di man ito balay. Look, it's nice and big, and this is a good size. And
They got a picnic table inside.
They have what?
They got a picnic table inside.
Really? This is bigger than my sister's house. This is... Guys, ito na guys. Dito na. Yeah, I know, it's small. Ito yung gusto ko dito. Ito guys, oh, mga binibili lang ito, pero hindi ito bahay. Parang ilagay lang sa gilid ng bahay ninyo. And then, lagyan ng tools, ganun. Look, oh. Parang garahian ito. Garage, right? You can put a car in there.
What?
Garage.
Yeah, that's it. That's nice.
That's nice one. Garahian guys, hindi bahay. Mga bahay naman ito. Oh, I like this one, love. The white over there, I like, oh. The white. Oh, this one, oh. Greenhouse, and...
I kind of like this one. This is greenhouse.
Yeah. Greenhouse, right?
Yeah.
I like it. There's no price, hon.
There's no pricing on it.
There's
Yeah,
it's
it is. You can see it on the inside.
maybe you can
The inside with price.
the other side.
7,000.
Huh? 7,000?
7,570.
Oh, 8,000. Wow. Mga ang presyo ani mga nasa 300,000 pesos. Look. Oh, gazebo. Look at the gazebo, guys. Yung gusto ko, oh. Yun siya, oh. Gusto ko. Ito yung gusto ko, guys. Puti na, greenhouse. Oh, 9,000, han. 10,000. Oh my God, ang mahal naman ito. Oh my God, ito yung gusto ko. It's bigger. I like that. I like this so much. And the cold can get in there, right? The cold can get in there.
Of course, it's cold to get in there.
Look guys, ang ganda niya guys.
Don't even
Tignan
eat it.
Ito yung mga hinahanap ko kasi kapag winter ba gusto na ano siya mag-garden. Yung ano to, kita nyo yan, oh, ang ganda.
The clear plastic.
Yeah, para that the sun can, that the sun can go through. Inside, go to inside. Mahal, oy! Mahal. Yung puti, oh, gusto ko. Wow. How much is that? I know it's not in only one piece. It's huge.
Look inside.
Oh my god, let me see. Oh my god, this is huge.
Let's do it. They got wishing wells in here.
Yeah, I know, I see that. Wow, this is
Backyard
big.
furniture.
Yeah, I can see they're big.
I don't see no price on it.
No price. Wow, ang laki naman ito. Oh, they have more dito, oh. Marami pa sila doon, oh. Sa likuran. Nice. I really like that greenhouse. It's unlocked? Huh? Maybe because you can get in.
I don't like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do want to go in, but I don't really want to go in.
Yeah. What is this also? This is a shed.
It's a big set.
It's a big shed. Oh my god, this is long. This is a long one. Wow.
I like that from the garage.
Which
That's
one?
a shed too. It's really, you can't put a car in there.
Yeah, it's a shed. It's a different. Yeah, it's a shed. I like that thing, hon.
It's got two garage doors, but you can't put a car in there. You can put tractors and stuff.
And I like the freaking greenhouse, and it's so much money, right? It's the other one. Yung puti, guys, is ano, $500,000. $500,000, hon. Pesos. Half. Yeah, $500,000, guys. Grabe ang mahal namang bahay na yun. Oh, ano lang yung greenhouse.
You got lighting in here?
Yeah, this one there's no price.
Well, they're running
Ala,
electric.
there is a
There's a price.
there's a bunk bed, oh. My bunk bed. Oh my god, this is like a house now.
I don't see a price on it. It's probably a price on this tag here.
Maybe it's inside. Ala, oh, nice, eh. Para siyang bahay sa loob, guys. Tara. My god, they're expensive. Ang mahal naman.
Well, you didn't really think they'd be cheap.
I thought it's like 3,000.
Yeah, okay.
I really thought it's just $3,000. Wow, $500,000 pesos. Kill me now. Ang mahal, guys, grabe. Yung $500,000 niya, nakatukod naman ikaw ng up and down na amakan. Ay. Let's go na. Grocery time na. Halahan, it's traffic now, love.
Just the windows will cost you $3,000.
Just the window, the glass, right?
Yeah.
You're doing the brake and the gas at the same time. I can hear. Look, guys. Bye! I like you. Ang ganda naman. $10,000. How the glass is expensive, man?
The windows?
All that glass windows.
The windows are going to be, $800,000 each window.
800,000?
800 to 1,000.
Oh, so why do you charge us like almost 10? Charge that thing at 10,000 thing?
10,000 for the whole thing. I'm just talking about just the windows themselves. They cost. If you buy windows.
So they have a lot of profit in that thing.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Well, they're gonna have a decent profit. They're just doing it for free.
Yeah,
They make a living that way.
the over half. The profits over half, maybe like 80%. Well, the labor, you know, I think they have a worker with that. Oh, honey, andito na kami sa bahay. So, yun lang guys na lumabas kami and then yun si Tami. Gusto pa lang mag-stop doon kasi matagal na din kami gusto talagang tumingin and then suddenly you know, it's a bad day because it is Sunday. They're closed. So, but we are not really buying. We are kind of thinking in the future but that price, hindi ko alam, parang sobrang mahal man. Akala ko, I was thinking of like 3,000 to 4,000. Ang mahal pala niya,
You've been thinking they were laughing.
Hello, Roxy is like... So that, yun lang, mahal siya. Akala ka talaga. Mura-mura ba? Mura-mura. Pero mahal-mahal pala talaga. So yun, nakaupo lang ako dito sa fireplace na walang fire. Ito na yung ano ko, binbag na maliit guys. O galing po ito sa basura. Itong binbag na ito, it's from the garbage. It's really useful though. I really like it. I can sit like this. Oh. Nag-slide lang oh. Honey, I'm sliding. Ay, ginoo ko itong floor namin. Sobrang shiny. Shiny bubble.